Then we're going to format this as follow. This is equal to this here, this formatting using these icons here, manage rules, edit, 0. Okay, like this. Show icon only. Okay, and in the middle. Okay, I want to input this. Insert. Again here. Okay. Of this conditional formatting, manage rules. This is going to be used, not here, another one. Okay, 99%. Format this. Format cells, border. Okay, and here we're going to insert. Okay, like this, and target reached. And this one is going to be equal to formatting icon, this one, and I'm going to format this, edit. Here is no icon, here is 0. Show icon only. Okay, format cells, conditional formatting. Format cells. Okay, here we are. Okay, good. So if I'm going to change this, also with this we do conditional formatting. Okay, manage rules, edit, 0. Okay. Okay, this is also like this. The same as this. Okay, here we are. Insert. Okay, just you can work on this if you want. You can improve, okay, this dashboard. Okay, so we already started to improve, and we're going to the next step. We're going to add some pivot tables.